Hey everyone, welcome back to Bytesector. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. It's nothing special. It's not something I typically unbox for you on a video, but this box kind of has my interest and attention, and so we're going to unpack it together. Talk to you in a minute. So some of you might have seen my tweet yesterday, and I hold true to that. 1 terabyte is so yesterday. And keeping with that, Sabrent sent us their latest RocketQ M.2 SSD. It's NVMe, it's a 2 terabyte unit, and it comes in what might be one of the smallest packages I have ever seen an SSD come in. And you know what? On the surface, it looks like a box. I mean, let me just reach in there. Take a look at that. It's nothing big. It's like a card box. But what has my interest is how incredibly sturdy it is. I cannot, in any part of this box, squeeze it and have any give. So I'm very curious to see what's inside. So, and that's why we're unboxing it today. So let's cut this puppy open and see what lies below the cardboard. First of all, they're using a very tightly wrapped plastic. It's cheap plastic, but it works. Okay, we have our SSD. I know I just dropped it, but as I said, very sturdy packaging. I have every confidence that this SSD has been well packaged. Okay. Looks like I should open from the bottom. There's a little tab here. So we're gonna pull that tab up. Ooh, that's much easier than the top for sure. Pull that, ooh. Oh boy, looks like it's a metallic enclosure. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, this beats the pants off any other SSD, M.2 SSD I've ever received. The packaging is kick-ass. Yeah, it's an aluminum package. Holy crap. So inside you get a basic installation guide, because, you know, you might not know what you're doing. On top, there's a little foam insert that says RocketQ, which is the lineup of SSDs from Sabrent. And we're just gonna pull that out, put that aside, and below that, I'm gonna hold that in place, is our 2 terabyte M.2 SSD. Complete in a metal enclosure, and there we go. Yeah, nicely packaged, foam packaging. This thing was made to be shipped places. I love it. I am certainly going to be using this for future SSD storage. So there you have it. The Sabrent RocketQ 2 terabyte SSD unboxed. We're going to put this head to head with some of the SSDs that we've tested already on Bytesector and see how it stands up, holds up. But certainly, I can tell you right now, 1 terabyte is probably not enough for your game library. You're gonna have to wait for the review for the rest of that. Have a great day. Thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below letting us know what we can improve for next time. But if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it so that you get notified the next time we post a video. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.